Hi, in this video I will show you how to use auto power off on your SIGMA ROX cycling computer. Let's begin by opening menu, then go to the settings, open it, go to the device, open it, then you need to scroll down until you find auto off. Open it by pressing this button, and there you can switch auto off on or off, and confirm it by pressing this button. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.